Most modern washing machines, both top loaders and front loaders like this one, are self-cleaning. Even still, lint or even loose coins can build up in the water pump filter. When that happens, it could slow the rate the water drains from the machine, which could keep residue trapped in the machine or on your clothes. But don't worry, cleaning the water pump filter is easy, it's good for your machine, and it's good for your clothes. The first thing I'm going to do is make sure the power is turned off so I can be safe. Next, I want to locate my access panel. Most front load washing machines like mine will have the access panel right here in the front. If it's a top load machine, you might see a toe kick panel running across the front or the back of the machine. I'll be using a flathead screwdriver to remove the cover of the access panel. And I've laid a towel on the ground to protect the floor, and I have a pan with a lip on it to catch any excess water or gunk that might come out. All right, let's just pop the cover off like that. And right back here, if I pull this door down, I'll see my water pump filter back here. To remove the filter, I'm going to turn it counterclockwise, so to the left. And as I do that, you'll see the water is going to drain down this lip here into the pan. As you can see, there's a little bit of gunk here, so I'm going to empty this out and clean this filter off. I'm using a little bit of soap and water and a toothbrush to get into all the nooks and crannies. Paying special attention to this rubber gasket here. As I clean it, I'm inspecting it to make sure it's not damaged in any way. If it is, I can always replace it. Now that it's clean, it's time to screw it back in. And I'm just pushing and turning clockwise, so to the right. I'll close this door and put my cover back on, and it just pops in place, just like that. This is good to do about once a month. Another good thing is run a cleaning cycle every now and then.